We made a building with a firewall. Paid all the analysis until the comment came back. This is R1 zone. R1 zone is single detached, does not allow firewall. Okay, so does not allow firewall, and has a maximum of 5 dwelling units. In our case, we'll put 5 bedrooms. 5 bedrooms. So, knowing that the property does not allow firewall, what is the right approach? We know that the front setback of single detached should be 4.5 meters. The rear will be 2 meters. Sides, 2 meters. And there's another property here. And the other side will be 2 meters as well. That means we have to get rid of this firewall, and our only buildable space will be here. But there is a challenge. The side is sloping this way. So our carport's here, our main floor here, our upper basement, and our lower basement. Okay. Well, this LB, lower basement, upper basement, and we have the main floor. We'll call this the ground floor for now, making this as the basis for the road level. Our carport. So we need to allocate enough space because 4.5 is not enough for carport. Made this around 6 meters to fit in an SUV. Just say it looks like an SUV. SUV. Alright. Other provision for 3 levels are fire exit or fire escape. So we use this portion as our fire escape. You can also go lower. Or you can put a ladder wherever it's safe to escape cases of fire. However, because our structural needs to support carport, we cannot put all structural 4.5 beyond. Thus, we need to provide retaining walls and a provision for bracing. This is done with the analysis of our structural engineer. For example, other foundation. Now, how deep should the footing be? There have been cases where the one who drew up the plans may be in conflict with the analysis of the soil test. But in Baguio City, this should be more prominent because they know the analysis and the type of soil, so they come up with the recommended, let's say, not less than 4.5 meters from where they took the borehole or the boring test because it's not exciting. And then go below. So this should be like 4.5 minimum. Thus, the structural analysis and design, not the software, structural analysis and design should conform with the soil test. So if what came out was just 2 meters, we have to adapt the more stringent length for safety. This is where most of the engineers have conflict with the geodetic who took the soil test. And then we have the retaining wall foundation. When all these are set, we can now start implementing the circulation and space planning as well as the design. So the architect coordinates first all of these so that he will avoid having this kind of scenario where they have to replan everything. So number 1, always make sure what is your zone.